Welcome to our tutorial on how to unarchive a chat on WhatsApp web using your PC. Follow these steps to easily retrieve archived chats and bring them back to your main chat list. To begin, open web.whatsapp.com on your PC. Access WhatsApp web through your web browser to manage your chats and interactions efficiently. At the top of the Chats section, click on Archived Chats. This option allows you to view all the chats that you have previously archived, making it easier to locate and unarchive specific conversations. Find the group chat you want to unarchive within the Archive Chat section. Scroll through the list of archived chats to locate the specific group chat that you wish to bring back to your main chat list. Hover over the chat you want to unarchive and click on the ellipsis symbol, V. This will reveal a drop-down menu with various options for managing the archived chat, including the option to unarchive it. Click on Unarchive Chat from the drop-down menu. By selecting this option, the chat will be unarchived and moved back to your main chat list, allowing you to resume conversations and interactions within that group. By following these simple steps, you can easily unarchive a chat on WhatsApp web using your PC, ensuring that you have quick access to all your important conversations. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Enjoy the convenience of unarchiving chats on WhatsApp web to keep your communication organized and easily accessible. Happy chatting!